guys, so I wasn't kidding when I said I was done with doing inspired looks for a while, but this one hoe snapped me and was like, hey, can you put these very random colors together in a look? And I was like, yeah, sure. So this is basically the best I could come up with. I know she was looking for like probably a more spring, bright summer look, but it was hard thinking of a look with yellow, blue, pink, and I think red. Oh, and orange. But yeah, this is what I came up with. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's begin. Okay, so for today, I'm gonna be using my Slush palette. I'm first gonna go in with a dark cobalt blue shade, just because I want there to be some kind of transition between the lighter blue. I'm actually gonna be using ColourPop's Backstage for that, because I noticed when I use this darker blue with the other shades, it gets kind of muddy. So with this shade, I'm just gonna tap it on first before I blend it out. Okay, now I'm just gonna blend it out with my Sigma E36 brush. Okay, right above that, I'm gonna tap on the shade Tiger's Blood. If you have the ColourPop palette, then you're gonna go in with the shade Euphoric. It looks orange, so yeah, if you have the palette, just tap on Euphoric. I'm also going to drag that shade to the lower lash line. I'm just going to blend it out with the same Sigma brush. I just wiped it off. And then to blend that shade out, I'm going to go in with the shade Peach Lemonade. If you have the ColourPop palette, you could probably go in with the shade Wild Soul. I know she circled that one, but I want to use the yellow for my eyeliner because I feel like it can't fit. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pack on Peach Lemonade and then blend it out. Okay, I'm just going to tap on that blue one more time. Okay, so I think those are all the shades she circled. Yellow, orange, blue. Oh crap, there's a pink. My bad. It's the shade Lomo. I wonder if I could fit that in there. Let me try. I'm going to put in the shade Sour Cherry above the blue. And if you have the ColourPop palette, then go in with the shade Lomo. I don't know what's up with these shades, if it's the shades or the palette, but I just feel like every time I use dark shades in this palette, it just gets really muddy. Again, I'm putting that pink shade right above the blue. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the lower lash line and put that really bright orange right beneath the darker orange. Don't want to add the blue to the lower lash line because I feel like it would be really heavy. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease with my Stamp Cut Crease and Tarte Shape Tape. When I cut the crease, I'm going to put the shade Blue Lagoon on top. So the shade she wanted me to use was Emerald Dream. And with the snap she sent me, it looks really light, like turquoise blue. But then when I look at the swatches, it's like a deep emerald green. And I asked her which one she would prefer, and she'd prefer the blue. So if you do have the palette, I apologize. Maybe try it with Emerald Dream, it might look good. But I'm just going to be using a really light turquoise blue. Okay, so since I don't have room for that yellow shade, I'm just going to be using a yellow eyeliner. I'm going to be using Ofra's Yellow Submarine. I would definitely not recommend this eyeliner. It gets really dry and it's so patchy, but so expensive, so I feel like I have to use it. I'm just going to be using my Sigma eyeliner brush. Like, it doesn't really matter which brush I use because it'll all come out the same. It's just like all over the place. So I'm actually going to tap a yellow loose pigment over that since, like I said, it's patchy. And I'm going to be using Impulse Cosmetics Little Miss eyeshadow. I swear pigments always like save my looks. Okay, so I'm going to draw a black liner on top of that yellow. If it wasn't all patchy and rough, then I wouldn't be doing that. Like, I really need to find a yellow liquid liner that's vegan and cruelty-free. But I'm just going to work with what I have. Like I said, I'm just going to draw a black line on top of that yellow. Okay, so if that's still not enough for you, then let's go in with glitter. I'm going to be using Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics glitter in the shade Aqua. Again, like I said, you could just stop right there. I'm just going to tap on some Lit Cosmetics glitter glue and then tap on the blue glitter. I forgot how much I love glitter. Okay, on to the other side. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes, mascara, and liner, and let's move on to the lips. For lips, I'm going to be using an orange. This is ColourPop's What's the Stitch? I'm going to try to bring this back to looking like a bright look because I feel like that dark blue really made it really heavy. So hopefully the orange lipstick helped. I feel like this orange is perfect because it's not like a really bright orange. It's not neon, it's like bordering a red orange. I think it kind of matches. Okay guys, I hope you liked this intense. It was supposed to be a bright, light, summery look, but obviously it is not. It got really intense. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.